Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today is April 28th, 2026. I'd say it's almost been about 2 years since I've been doing these progress videos. So yeah, today is just another month, another monthly progress video. And yeah, I'm just trying to stay consistent, man. Not gonna lie, I've been a little bit tired these days. I feel like, I don't know, because I have like a 9 to 5 jobs and lots of other hobbies and errands that I need to run as well. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my time is a little bit limited. I used to game a lot, but I don't know, like these days I haven't had the time to play any games either. So, but I've still been pretty consistent with cubing, although I might not practice too much, but I still practice at least 3 times a week, about like 10 minutes or so of practice. But yeah, a little bit tired today. Like, I had a pretty terrible sleep last night. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's just review our stats over the past few weeks here. So yeah, as you guys can see, here are the dates where I have practiced. I practice about 3 times a week, like I said. Okay, so yeah. My time here, average of 12 is 20.87 on April 26th. I mean, not bad. 21.52 on the 25th, which is, yeah, pretty, I mean, not as good, to be honest. And then, yeah, 21.05. So I don't know, I've just been falling off. I feel like 24.02, that's freaking terrible. 20.15, so I haven't gotten like a sub 20 average of 12, I don't think, at all this month, to be honest. So I don't know, am I falling off for real though? But yeah, hopefully I can get back on track, man. I usually perform better when I'm on camera. I don't know why, maybe because it's the adrenaline rush, but yeah, let's get started. Hopefully we can get a sub 20 average of 12. Let's go. Let's freaking do it. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see my... Actually, let me just move this here so you can see my face. All right. Nice, looking good. Hey. All right. Maybe make this a little bit bigger. Wait, no, not this. Alright, so you guys can see the time a little bit better. Okay, let's go. Okay, solid, very solid indeed. 19.34. Wow. Off to a great start. Let's go, guys. Okay, that was a little bit clunky there, but I think that was like a rotationless solve. Okay, I mean, yeah, this time is a little bit slow for me, 22.39. Okay. Let's go. 1900. Okay, nice. Okay, not bad. 1912. All right. I hope you guys can see my face. I don't know. I just feel like paranoid, like the recording's gonna mess up or something. Okay, nice. I think we're good. Okay. Okay, okay. Decent solve, decent solve. Okay. What the frick, bro? What the frick, bro? I'm freaking getting nervous for some. Oh my gosh, that was a huge freaking pause, bro. I gotta lock in, bro. Like, what the frick, man? Oh, this is definitely gonna be my worst time. Oh my gosh, man. I don't know what happened there. I just stressed out in the middle of the solve. Gotta stay focused, man. Gotta stay focused, man. This cannot happen again, man. 2656, alright. I mean, yeah, okay. I cannot have another bad solve or else I'm probably not gonna get that sub-20 average of 12. Alright. Gotta lock in. Ah, a lot of wasted moves there. Bro, I'm falling off, man. Oh my gosh, man. Okay, I cannot. Okay, come on, guys. We got this. We just have to believe in ourselves. Gotta finish strong at least. Alright, bro. Oh, okay. Okay, solve 21.42. Ah, yay, 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 yay. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Very good solve. What the frick, bro? Let's freaking go. That's probably one of my fastest solves, bro. What the frick? Oh yeah, that felt good. That felt real smooth. 18.68. Okay, nice, nice. I don't know why, but I keep thinking of other things besides solving the cube when I'm solving the cube. I don't know. My mind gets distracted sometimes, so maybe that may be slowing me down. But I mean, I still got a pretty good time last solve. But I feel like if I just lock in a little bit more, keep my mind focused on solving the cube, I think maybe I can be a little bit faster. But we'll see. Okay, last solve. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we still have a chance to get a sub-20 average of 12, but only if we get like a 14-second solve or something. So we'll see, man. If we get lucky, or maybe I get like a, I don't know. All right, let's do it. Okay, the cross does not look very good, so I don't know if this this does not look promising here. All right, let's go. $22.46. Yeah, the F2L freaking sucked. The last layer was pretty quick though. I feel like my turning speed got faster the more I solved the cube. But yeah, definitely my weakest part I feel like is F2L. But I don't know. It's we'll see if we can get that in. Get that F2L better next month. But yeah, this is it for the video. My final result is 20.72, average of 12. Not what we wanted, but guys, we gotta keep grinding, man. Grind does not stop. And I'll see you guys next month. Bye-bye.